Okay, we're at the Brimfield Flea Market. We're sort of the checking things out on a Saturday. We're going to look and see this.
Oh my God, that's you!
Yeah, here I am. We're making some
buddy.
videos. How are you? Good to see you.
Long time no see. I first time seeing you.
Yeah, it's me, of course.
You're the auction. You work at the
model
auction.
cars. Yeah, Barrett Jackson. Oh,
Yeah.
what do you got there, Eddie? Monte Carlo.
Yeah.
Very cool.
I'm
Good to see you,
very,
sir.
very, very proud of you.
Well, thanks. Good to be back, and thank you for the kind words.
Yeah.
How much is the Monte Carlo?
$20.
We'll take it.
All right.
That's cool. We're going to buy the Monte Carlo. Eddie, if you could show me the Monte Carlo model.
Freddie Suda.
Freddie Suda? Yeah, Freddie's going to sell a Monte Carlo. There we go, right there. Break out $20 for him if you would, Eddie, or when you can. Go third arm. And what else we have? We have the Destroyer 2 monster truck down on the bottom.
Yeah.
Those are kind of cool. Interesting kits.
I don't know.
And
I don't know if they're all
IndyCar
together,
series.
but they should be.
John Force's Castrol. Funny, I had dinner with John Force. He's a very spastic man, a great drag racer. And Destroyer 2 jumbo tough monster truck.
And that one's yours.
And then Hawaiian with the tin box. Kind of cool.
$10.
We'll take it. Kind of cool. The Corvette, is that built or unknown? The 62 Corvette, the AMT.
That's built.
Take the. Okay, it's built. All right, see how it looks.
Yeah.
Okay, somebody painted it blue.
And
Pretty cool.
can I say
Some
something?
extra parts. Yes, sir.
I bought a lot of models that you built.
From the antique store down the road.
Way back.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, a guy named John. He said he got them from you.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
He's from Southbridge.
Yeah. Right on. Very cool. A good customer. I build model cars, sell them sometimes, and this man bought some.
And
It's
I'm
a
very
McLaren.
proud of you.
Well, thanks. Good to be here. So this is my friend Eddie. He's checking things out, the model cars. This event right here, usually this happens 3 times a year. It's a smaller show, but they're trying something new with every other Saturday having an outdoor show with smaller attendees. But we found some goodies here, some models. I love model cars, and you probably do too. And we'll dig around some more here. So we'll seal the deal here, and we'll be back in a couple of seconds with more from this event.